Which extra tall monitor mount is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, HUANUO Single Monitor Arm. First up, we have the HUANUO Single Monitor Arm. Priced at $34.99, this mount caught my attention with its impressive 39-inch height adjustable pole. If you're looking for a way to keep your workspace ergonomic and flexible, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports monitors between 13 to 32 inches and even ultra-wide screens up to 38 inches, holding a weight of up to 22 pounds. With features like 180 degrees tilt, 180 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation, you can adjust your monitor for the perfect viewing angle, reducing neck and eye strain. Plus, it has a cable management system to keep things tidy. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky if you're not familiar with mounting hardware. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, but it might be frustrating for those who prefer a completely plug-and-play experience. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, ergonomic solution that won't clutter your desk. Skip this one if you need something ultra-simple to set up right out of the box. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you need a more versatile setup. Product number 2, Wally Monitor Arm Mount. Next up is the Wally Monitor Arm Mount, priced at $32.99. This model stands out with its dual locking system and a height-adjustable pole that extends up to 31.5 inches. If you're after a reliable, well-built mount, this one deserves your attention. What makes this great for you? It fits most flat panel monitors up to 34 inches and supports a weight of up to 22 pounds. With its plus 90 degrees tilt, swivel capabilities, and 360 degrees rotation, you can easily adjust your screen to reduce strain. The dual mounting options, either C-clamp or grommet, make it adaptable to different desk setups. Plus, it's got a solid 4.6-star rating from over 5,100 reviews, indicating a strong track record among users. However, some users pointed out that it might wobble a bit if not installed correctly. But honestly, once it's securely mounted, it feels sturdy, so it's not a major concern for most. This is perfect for you if you have limited desk space and need an adjustable, ergonomic option. Skip this if you're looking for something that supports larger screens or more complex setups. Now, if the height adjustment on the Wally bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, VIVO Extra Tall Monitor Mount. Moving on, we have the VIVO Extra Tall Single Monitor Desk Mount at $43.99. This mount really impressed me with its solid build and the ability to fit screens up to 38 inches. If you want a sturdy and adjustable mount, keep listening. Why is this a great choice? The 39-inch pole allows for significant height adjustments, letting you work comfortably whether you're sitting or standing. It supports monitors weighing up to 22 pounds and offers a full range of motion with plus 90 degrees to degrees tilt and 360 degrees swivel. It's compatible with most VESA mounts and includes integrated cable management to keep your workspace clean. With a 4.5-star rating from over 20,200 reviews, it's clear this is a trusted product. But here's the catch. A few users mentioned it can be a bit heavy for smaller desks. Here's the thing though, if your desk can support it, you'll appreciate the stability and adjustability. This is perfect for you if you have a larger setup and want reliable height adjustments. Skip this one if desk weight is a concern for you. Alright, that was a great single mount. But if you're looking for something a bit different, this next one is all about dual monitor setups. Product number 4, VIVO Dual Vertically Stacked Monitor Mount. Next, we have the VIVO Dual Vertically Stacked Monitor Desk Mount, also at $43.99. This one caught my eye because it's designed specifically for dual ultra-wide setups. If you're a multitasker, this is definitely worth your time. Let's talk about why this matters. It fits two monitors between 13 to 34 inches and supports 22 pounds for each screen. With plus 15 degrees to degrees tilt and 360 degrees swivel, you can achieve the perfect angle for both monitors. The height adjustment feature allows you to customize your viewing experience, whether you're gaming or working. Plus, with over 2,600 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it seems to hit the mark for users. However, some buyers found the installation slightly complicated, especially when aligning two monitors. Honestly, once it's set up, the benefits outweigh the initial hassle, especially if you're looking for an organized workspace. This is perfect for you if you need to boost productivity with dual screens. Skip this if you're sticking with a single monitor setup. Now, if dual setups aren't your thing, the next product is all about simple, effective solutions for single monitors. Product number 5, VIVO Dual Monitor Stand-Up Desk Mount. Finally, we have the VIVO Dual Monitor Stand-Up Desk Mount priced at $59.99. This one is for those who want to maximize screen space with a dual setup for smaller monitors. If you're interested in a simple yet effective way to elevate two monitors, keep watching. What makes this a great option? The 39-inch pole gives you plenty of height adjustment for both sitting and standing positions. With features like plus 90 degrees to degrees tilt and 180 degrees swivel, you can position your monitors however you need. It has a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,600 reviews, showing it's popular among users. However, a few users noted that the clamps might not fit all desk types. This is perfect for you if you're looking to elevate two smaller monitors in a compact space. Skip this if you have larger monitors that exceed the weight limit. In summary, we've seen a great range from HUANUO's affordable options to VIVO's versatile dual setups, making it easier to find the right extra tall mount for your needs. To wrap it all up, we've gone through the HUANUO, Wally, and various VIVO options, each offering unique benefits from affordability to dual setups. No matter your workspace needs, there's a solid extra tall monitor mount here for you. Thanks for tuning in.